Hey everyone, just wanted to record a quick video to make sure everyone understands the best way to zip up your file to submit it so we can grade it properly. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a new app real quick. I'll call this demonstration. I think I spelled that right. Pull this up. Thank you. Alright, so I'm in 2022. Works the same in 2019, but the best way we're going to go about it is we're going to start with going over here. You see all these files and stuff. The way I prefer to do it is if you right click on here, you can go down to your Form 1. You see this where it says copy full path. If you click this button here and you open up a file manager, you can click this, paste, and then just back out that last part so it just has these portions. You see here it pulls up a list of all these files. When you're in here, you have all this. Click the little up arrow here and it will go up to this file. Then go up to this file. You should see it right here. You see a bunch of other stuff that I've worked on in the past. So on this one, the main important thing you want to keep an eye on is you want to make sure your zip file contains this folder right here. You may not see this one in your code. This is considered a hidden file. I just have my hidden files enabled, but you may not have them enabled, which means you won't see this, but it doesn't really matter. You'll have this folder and then the .sln file. If you don't see .sln, you can enable file name extensions right here, and that will allow you to see this is the .sln file. So if we go up one more, you can see right here we have this folder that contains both of them. What we want to do is we want to right click, and this applies to if you're doing this on a personal computer. I will show you in a minute how to do this on a school computer. If we go down to Send To, we go up here, and you see there will be one that's called compressed zip folder. When you click that, you're able to go ahead and name it properly, or however it's supposed to be named. I don't remember the exact naming. You might want to refer to the instructions to make sure you have the right name. We'll just say that for now. So you have this .zip file. You can then go ahead and move that over to any directory you want. You have it right here. And you can go ahead and upload that file to Canvas. As you see when I open it up, it contains that folder. Opening that folder contains that folder and the solution, which that folder then subsequently contains all these files. So that's how you want to do that when you're on a personal computer. Now, if we're on a school computer, there are a couple other options we'll have to do. As you can see, we have this folder here, and it contains our SLN and the demo folder with all the files in it. However, if we go back out to it and we try right-clicking Send To, that's not an option. It only says that I can send it to my S drive. This is just saying because I'm on a VDI or a Bluetooth device, which won't help us. So there's two options you can do here. One option is to right-click in the blank space, selecting New, Compress Zip File. Let's call this Test 1 so you can see how this works. So that's Test 1. And then when you have that, you just take your folder and you just drag it on Test 1. You open it up, and it's zipped up, and you're good to submit that. Another option would be to right-click on it, and you see 7-zip. It should be installed on whatever computer you're using. You click Go to Archive, Add to Archive, and make sure this here says Zip. If it says Zip, you can then click OK, and it will create a zip file with the same name as the folder. You're then going to want to rename that to whatever it's supposed to be properly named. And if you open it up, same situation. So hopefully this clears up a little for you guys, the best ways of doing this. If you guys need more help, you know how to reach me. Have a good one, guys.